Hi, fifth grade. It's Miss Bush, your science teacher at Horace Mann Elementary, and here is the overview of your week. So check it out. I have reorganized my Schoology folders. Hopefully, it helps you learn more. I've gone back and renumbered them. Week 1 was our September 8th to September, and it was about welcome. Week 2 was our Gummy Bear Lab, and now we're here on week 3. And I can even move this here, the Welcome to Science picture, just to make sure you're really seeing we're on week 3 right now. For week 3, you open up that folder, and I know it looks a little different on a computer and an iPad. But here you go, the weekly checklist is where you start, and this video, once it's done, will be in this weekly checklist. This is your checklist with everything you are doing this week, so here it is. You should look at this checklist more than right now. On Wednesday, if you kind of don't remember what's going on this week, you should come back and check. Later on Thursday, you should just make yourself come back and check the checklist to make sure you remember. Because here we go, Monday, you have a discussion board, and it is your assignment to write a comment on Monday. Tuesday, there is a worksheet, and we will try Notability this week with worksheets. Wednesday, it is a discussion board that is a graded assignment to post your ideas. Thursday is a worksheet, and Friday we will try something new. It is a quiz on Schoology, and it shouldn't be too hard. It's about everything we're learning this week, and some questions are, what's your favorite learning this week? Ms. Traxler and Ms. Pickert, you really have the same things this week across the top. The only thing different is this yellow box that marks when your Google Meet is. Ms. Pickert's class has a Google Meet on Wednesday. Ms. Traxler class, yours is on Thursday. It's at 10:30. The code is HMSCI. And office hours, I have drop-in office hours every day. Every day that there's school, I have an office hour. And even if it's not a science week, you are all welcome. And I love seeing you there. I love if you just say hi and tell me something new. One day someone told me something sad about a broken arm, but I was really happy that the person visited me to tell me about it. So this is your weekly checklist. Come back here and visit it. You don't have to look at it only once. I'm telling you that because my niece, who's 16 and a junior in high school, was really confused because she's doing hybrid learning, and she was only looking at the weekly checklist like on Sunday night or Monday morning. And then by Friday, she was really confused, but she said, it's just a weekly overview. Why would I look at it again? And I thought, oh no. No grown-ups have ever told you that that is something you should look at more than once. This folder is just a reminder of when your Google Meet is, and you can see on the teacher page, I can see both Ms. Pickert's and Ms. Traxler's, but you will only see yours. This week's folder is purple, so these things that are kind of an overview for the week are purple. And then your assignments, I have now numbered. Since this is week 3, Monday is 3.1, and Monday is red, like the rainbow goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Tuesday is 3.2. The 3 means week 3. 0.2 means day 2. I'm doing this so it's a little bit easier for you to keep track of what assignment. Those silly 4th graders keep doing silly things, and they turn in their work for this week all the way down here at a different week. So I'm hoping these numbers will keep us all organized. Even though 5th grade, you've got this. Those silly 4th graders needed a little more help. Everyone, here's the big topic this week. It's all about apples. It's going to be similar to the Gummy Bear Lab, but we're now talking about apples and how they get brown. Inside the folder, you're going to see your work. Monday is all in one place. It's your discussion board. I have a video of Miss Bush cutting apples. Check it out. I have a picture of an apple I left out in my kitchen for 24 hours. That is a Haralson apple for 24 hours. And then I have a reminder of the discussion board rubrics. I do grade these discussion boards that are about a science topic. So the question for the discussion board is, what variables or things do you think are making the apple turn brown? What are some ideas? So if you get on the discussion board and you write hi, I will give you 1 point, and that's called a beginning. And hey, I'm always happy that you're here and logging in, so I will give you a point for just the answer hi. If you write, I like apples, well, I'm glad, I like them too, and I'll give you, again, a point. You talked about apples, So your post is kind of connected to the science topic. This is not what I want you doing, but I wanted you to see an example of what would earn a 2. Scored 3, proficient, meaning you are doing everything a 5th grader is supposed to do, would be a post is connected to the science topic. That means what you post, what you write. And that example would be, I think that air makes the apple turn brown. And is it brown or what is it? That is a weird looking apple after 24 hours. And 4, exceeds. I put one of my super scientist pictures there. And it says you make a science comment about the topic and you respond to other students' posts. And the student adds additional science ideas. That's how you would get an exceeds. So if you just answer the question and you get a 3, that means you are doing everything you are supposed to do. Serious. Here, let's see if this works. If you just answer the question, you are doing everything you're supposed to do. That's my new confetti button. I can make confetti on my computer whenever I want. I don't know why I needed that, but I needed that. All right, coming back here. That's Monday's work. You're writing a comment on the discussion board. You've got it. Tuesday's work is still under development, but here it is. All right. All of the directions for Tuesday will be here, and they will look lovely by Tuesday. Don't worry, they are coming. But your directions are a little more clear. You have a worksheet, and I have made it the kind of format, a PDF that will go to Notability nicely. And you can open that up in Notability. And your job on Tuesday is to come up with a plan for an apple experiment. So you can see the worksheet is titled 3.2 and the assignment is titled 3.2 and the folder is titled 3.2. So we can do this. We can stay organized. Boom, boom. Question 1. In this box, you could double tap to add to the text box. You can draw a text box. You can fill this in all the ways you like on Notability. Question 2. What are some things that could cause an apple to do that? Question 3, what is a variable? We're checking that we know this word now. It's anything that can change in a science experiment. Question 4, what is a controlled experiment? That's the experiment that changes one thing at a time. And question 5, write a plan for a controlled experiment to test what is causing these apples. And so normally for an experiment, you have 4 cups and you give Miss Bush an idea of what to put in those 4 cups. So that is your worksheet for Tuesday, and that is an assignment I need you to turn in here. Okay? Tuesday night, I'm going to do the experiments that kids tell me to do. So then Wednesday, our discussion board will be what happened with those. And so I will be making a video quick Wednesday morning, and your assignment on Wednesday will be to make a comment about that. And again, more directions coming because you haven't told me what to do for the experiment yet. I haven't filled it in. Thursday, no matter what we learn on Wednesday, I feel like we won't know all the answers. So on Thursday, the plan is to do a worksheet. And when we do that worksheet, we're going to come up with a new plan. Again, the directions will be all filled in by Thursday morning. And right here, 3.4, apple experiment take 2. The worksheet says 3.4, apple experiment take 2. And hopefully that keeps us organized. Kids have been turning their work into the wrong place. And here is your Thursday work. And we're getting a little more specific about 3 kinds of variables. And I will talk about those a lot at our Google Meet this week. And then friends, on Friday, I am launching a new kind of quiz. It's a quiz that works right on Schoology. And I will have the results from the apple experiment number 2 that we do on Thursday. And then you are going to have a quiz, and you click on it here on Schoology and you take the quiz right on Schoology, and there will be multiple choice questions. And I think you'll like having something that's really easy to respond to. You don't have to put it in Notability, and you don't have to post it or return it. You just click on the link and do it, and it will work hopefully really smoothly. So again, here's our overview for the week. We have a discussion board, and it's due that day. You have a worksheet on Tuesday, discussion board Wednesday, worksheet on Thursday, and Schoology quiz Friday. And we will use our Google Meet to really talk about how those variables are affecting the apples. And Ms. Traxler's class will use your Google Meet on Thursday to do the same thing. Have a great week, 5th graders, and you can watch this video more than once because you are superstars. Woo! Look, the confetti looks a little different the different times I push it. One more time. Oh, there we go.